What is up, guys? It's Q vs. Fridge here, and today we are going to Dairy Queen to go get the new Superman meal. I am so excited. We're gonna go get the Blizzard. We're gonna go get everything.
Oh shit!
Wait, it won't open. Wait. Let me in.
Let me in. Let me in.
We have Superman in the corner right there, up there. Zoom in, Blizzard Man. Zoom into the Blizzard Man. Blizzard Man.
Oh boy.
Did you get that?
Sir.
Get the meal. Let's go.
Dude, why is it a mystery flavor? There's like kryptonite in it or some shit?
I hope so. I think it's...
I think they mixed it with crypto.
They mixed it with
the dog.
James Gunn goo. Let's see what else they have around here. Let's come over here. Look at this. Justice is sweet. Or cake to fit for a superhero. I think I'm gonna need 5 of those. Thank you.
5. Oh shit, is it that small?
I ordered snack size. The point was getting the little...
Did you get a meal or no?
Yeah.
You get a meal?
Yeah. Okay, we got the Superman meal. I got the Blizzard. I got some other stuff. I got the burger. Unfortunately, we don't have special cups here in Canada. And, yeah, Canada sucks. Alright, we just got home and I got the Superman meal. So we got the ice cream sundae here. Superman birthday cake cookie dough ice cream sundae. We got the original cheeseburger. There's nothing special really to the cheeseburger or fries. It just comes with the meal. The main attraction is here, the ice cream. But we're gonna try everything out and taste it. Alright, so we're gonna taste the burger. Look at this burger. It looks burnt. Look at that. What is that?
Brother, what's that?
Come on, Dairy Queen. I don't know really who eats Dairy Queen burgers, but whatever, we'll try it. Mid.
Big, he knows what he's talking about.
Oh, it's like a 4 out of 10. That's being generous. It's hard to swallow too. The fries.
Suck on those fries. Yeah. Hey, yo!
Got all the salt. It's okay. Fries are pretty good. 6. But now, the moment you've been waiting for, the Superman Blizzard. Have the special, like, Superman on the cup like they do in the US, but anyways, we're gonna try it. It's a little liquidy. It took forever to get home. So now we're gonna try it. A big, nice scoop in there. Look at it. Oh. Here we go.
Drippy. Oh, is it drippy, Gio?
Oh my gosh! This is bussin'. This is a 10 out of 10. Holy shit! I'm gooning it. I'm gunning it. It's a fucking 10 out of 10 banger! Woo! Yeah! Okay. Oh, this is so good. Oh, so good. I dipped the fries in it too. Even better.
Yo, you gotta put the burger in that shit.
It makes the fries even better. Let's see if it can fix the burger. Oh my gosh. This is so bussin'. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the meal review. I really like it. Out of 10, I think I'll give the meal an 8 out of 10. This ice cream just really ups it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Anyways, I'm gonna need you guys to do something for me real quick. Just press on one of these.